Hi everyone, the next one is show that the plane x plus y plus z equal to 0 cuts the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus x plus y plus z equal to 4 in a circle of radius 2. Also find the equation of the sphere for which this circle is a great circle. Now the solution of this problem is, the equation of given sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus x plus y plus z equal to 4. Now, the 2u equal to 1, u equal to 1 by 2, 2v equal to 1, v equal to 1 by 2, 2 double equal to 1, double equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, center of this given sphere is minus u minus v minus w, that equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Radius of this sphere is under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d, we know very well. By simplifying and substituting u, v, w and d values, we get the root 19 by 4. Let it is Cp. We want to show that the plane x plus y plus z equal to 0 cuts the sphere, given sphere, in the circle of radius 2. If it is the sphere, the plane is like that. Okay. It is the, what is this? This is the circle. The plane section of a sphere is circle. Now center of this is C, sphere, and circle radius, circle center is N. P be any point on the plane, then it forms a right angle at the N. Okay, it forms the right angle at N. Now CNP is the right angle triangle. Now here center of the what is this? This is the radius of the sphere. That means center to any point on the sphere, the distance between these two is equal to radius. So Cp equal to root 19 by 4. Now we have to show that NP equal to 2. Circle of the radius is 2. That means NP equal to 2. We have to show that. Now we have to find out the CN, center to the plane from the point N is equal to, that means perpendicular distance to C to N to the plane. What is that plane? X plus y plus z is equal to 0 is the CN, perpendicular distance. CN equal to the perpendicular distance from center to plane. X plus y plus z equal to 0. We know the formula for the distance from the plane, that is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 by under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, that equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. On the mod value, this is the 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 equal to 3. This is equal to square root 3. So square root cancel here, root 3 by 2. By simplifying this, we get Cn equal to root 3 by 2. Now by the Pythagoras theorem, or CNP is the right angle triangle. Now Cp square is equal to Cn square plus Np square. Now we want radius of this circle, that is Np. Np equal to under root of Cp square minus Cn square. Now Cp equal to root 19 by 4 whole square means root 19 by 4 whole square. Cn equal to root 3 by 2 whole square, that means square root cancel, we get 19 by 4 minus 3 by 4 under root of 19, same denominators is there. Now 19 minus 3 equal to 16, 16 by 4 means 4 is 16, root 4 means 2. Therefore circle of the radius is 2 units. We showed. Now we have to find out the equation of the sphere for which this circle is a great circle. For that, let the equation of the any sphere through the circle through the circle x square plus y square plus z square plus x plus y plus z equal to 4 and x plus y plus z equal to 0 b x square plus y square plus z square plus x into x square plus y square plus z square plus x plus y plus z minus 4 plus lambda into x plus y plus z is equal to 0 s plus lambda l equal to 0. By simplifying and writing in order, we will get the sphere equation in terms of lambda. By simplifying, x square plus y square plus z square plus x plus y plus z minus 4 plus lambda x plus lambda y plus lambda z equal to 0. Rewrite as the sphere equation x square plus y square plus z square plus x into 1 plus lambda plus y into 1 plus lambda plus z into 1 plus lambda minus 4 equal to 0. This is the let it is equation number 3. Now center of this sphere is minus u minus v minus w, that is minus 1 minus lambda by 2 minus 1 minus lambda by 2 minus 1 minus lambda by 2, because u, v, w values are same. If the given circle is a grid circle of 2, the given circle is a grid circle of equation 2, then this center lie on the plane x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then it will become a grid circle, then it only. Okay. Now substituting, that means the center is on the plane means the instead of x, y, z we have to substitute this u, v, w. Okay. Minus 1 minus lambda by 2 minus 1 minus lambda by 2 instead of y, instead of z also minus 1 minus lambda by 2, then only it will become a great circle. That implies minus 1 minus lambda by 2 plus minus 1 minus lambda by 2 plus minus 1 minus lambda by 2 equal to 0. Same denominators are there, we have to add all these numerators. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus lambda minus lambda minus lambda minus 3 lambda by 2 equal to 0. That means minus 3 lambda equal to 0. If you take 3 lambda to right side, it will become a plus. Minus 3 equal to 3 lambda. 3 cancel, lambda equal to minus 1. We have to substitute this lambda in the equation 2, then it will this sphere is a great circle. By substituting lambda value equal to 1 in equation 2, then x square plus y square plus z square plus x plus y plus z minus 4 minus of x plus y plus z equal to 0. X square plus y square plus z square plus x plus y plus z minus 4 minus of, we have to multiply minus 1 with this bracket term, we will get minus x minus y minus z equal to 0. So by cancelling some terms, finally we get x square plus y square plus z square minus 4 equal to 0, which is the equation of the required sphere. Understood? Thank you.